Does it put Franklin to shame?
Franklin can start to look for other
Other jobs.
So, I think I've mastered the brisket. After smoking 5 of them in 4 weeks, I've come to a few conclusions. Probably the most important factor is selection of the meat. Fat is fundamental. Make sure you get a well-marbled piece, and also make sure that the height difference between the flat and the point is not too great. So you want a nice even slab of brisket. As far as the spices go, salt and pepper, that's all it needs. Honestly, I think I've made it better than, dare I say, Franklin in Austin, Texas. And this is how you do it. Let's get to it. This Australian brisket is well marbled and has a nice layer of fat in between the meat layers. Grind the whole peppercorns and rock salt as shown. To prep the brisket, trim any sinew or excess fat that you see. You want to leave a nice even layer of fat on the top side. Here's a sampling of 5 briskets that I smoked. The last 2, of course, were the best. I use Dijon mustard as a binder, then sprinkle liberally with salt and pepper. I am using this clean gas burning Coolabah pellet wood chip smoker with mesquite wood pellets. Keep the smoke temperature between 230 and 270 Fahrenheit throughout the cook. For the first 2 hours, do not touch it. Then spritz with an apple juice and vinegar mixture about every hour thereafter. After the 6th hour of smoking, check the meat temperature. If it hovers around 175 Fahrenheit, it has reached what is called thermal stall and will no longer cook internally. That is when you remove the brisket from the smoker, wrap it in parchment or butcher paper, and then finish in the oven at 275 Fahrenheit for 2 to 4 hours. Check the temperature every hour. When it reaches around 203 Fahrenheit, it is done. Remove from the oven and let it rest for at least 1 hour. The texture should be spongy to the touch and your fingers could easily push through.
Okay, it's still spongy. Let's take the first cut. Oh my God, like butter. Like butter. The crust is still hard.
This last brisket was the best I have ever had in my life. Enjoy. Moment of truth. Brisket.
me like it.
Unbelievable.
Excellent. Little slice of heaven. Thanks, Andy.
Oh, welcome. Look at that.
Ladies and gentlemen, just the look of this meat.
Oh, yeah.
This was made with love. Absolutely Texas top quality.
The flavor. Better than any Wagyu steak. A properly cooked brisket can make you believe in something greater than yourself. A higher power. Ready? Up. Good boy. You like that? Moment of truth for Jazzy.
Okay.
Wow, it just tears apart.
Look at how it just tears. It's like so delicate. It's as thin as a piece of paper. And tonight we'll finish with Connemara and a Sancho Panza cigar.
All right.
It's too good for dogs.
I understand.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, he
Loves
loves
it.
it. He loves it.
Keep cooking until next time.